We're at this project in downtown Washington, D.C. Just got done using our Level-EZ. And obviously one of the biggest and major reasons why we used Level-EZ on this project is because, number one, it's very user-friendly. The installation process is basically clean, prime, and pour. It's that easy. You're vacuuming, sweeping any dust that is on the substrate. We prefer our Multi-Use Acrylic Primer. You're letting that dry, and then you come in and pour. The beautiful part of it is that it can go so thin, all the way to feather edge, up to 2 inches. Basically, all we're asking you to do is get us anywhere from a 5-gallon pail to a 15-gallon drum and a high-speed drill. We can use anywhere from 4.5 to 5 quarts of water per 50-pound bag. And we ask you to mix it from anywhere from 2.5 to 3 minutes. Make sure you don't over mix. It's gonna be a high-flowing product that's gonna run real nice and smooth. The only thing we ask is make sure you go over with a smoother or a spike roller to break the surface of our product. It isn't something that is gonna be shut down for the whole day. You can pour it in the morning, 4 hours later, it's walkable.